What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in today's video I'm going to do something more special. I'm going to update this iPad first generation from iOS 5.1.1 to iOS 6.1.3. So let's get straight into the video. So I am going to go to my web browser and search for Legacy iOS Kit and go to Releases, Latest, and now I can click on download zip and this is going to download it, and now I can drag and drop it to the desktop. Perfect. Open it, and now I'm going to open up a terminal window, open up Legacy iOS Kit and drag and drop the restore.sh into the terminal and click enter. And it's recommended that you run it a first time. So I am plugging my iPad into the computer. Perfect. And as you can see, I am on iOS 5.1.1 and let's upgrade this thing. So let's drag and drop restore.sh one more time. Click enter. And click yes to update. And now we can run the script again. Perfect. And now we can go to restore downgrade, and here we are, 6.1.3. And now I'm going to download the target IPSW. And now I'm going to download the base IPSW. Perfect. And now we can select the target IPSW and select base W. And now we can start the restore. Here it will ask you if you want the iPad to be jailbroken. I will say yes. And now we can do pound DFU and send it to recovery. Perfect. And now we can enter DFU mode by following the instructions on screen. And now we can let it do its thing. Perfect. And now let's see it boot. Yay! It worked. Now let's set it up. And perfect, iOS 6.1.3. And there we are. 6.1.3. How cool is this? Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will definitely do more videos like this soon, and I will catch you in the next one.